The 8 videos that form this series of Session 1 Back to Basics have been put together to help you become more confident and more aware of the potential of the iPad for learning and teaching. In the first video, we set the context for learning using mobile devices against the priorities of FST. We focused purely on apps that are installed by default on the iPad. We also looked at the hardware and the buttons that are on the iPad. We looked at Control Center and we looked at some of the settings that we could change. We then looked at Notes, where we could take notes in a meeting and share them instantly using features like AirDrop. We looked at Safari and found out how Safari makes it easier for us to focus on reading using Reader View, and how we can send useful links to other people. We explored the 2 cameras and found out how to change the aperture, and went on to explore how we could then edit the photos that we took. We explored maps, found out about flyover cities, and found out how we could look at maps in 3 different ways and share the locations with other people. We looked at how the iPad can help us become more organized using reminders, how we can use the clock features such as the alarm and be aware of times in other parts of the world. And lastly, we looked at how to download apps and organize the apps on our screen, and how to put them into folders and use the dock to its best ability. We explored the iBookstore briefly and found a really useful free guide that will help us for future reference. In the second phase of the pilot, which we are calling Enhancement, we want everyone to feel supported, so we have identified digital leaders among the staff and digital ambassadors among the students who will be working together to support you and each other and explore how mobile learning can truly enhance learning and teaching. Thank you for watching the videos in Session 1, Back to Basics, and feel free to watch the videos in Session 2, where we will be exploring digital video and digital audio.